And now we are going to see, if, when it comes to this part here, we are going to see transportation in French. So, first one is airplane, un avion. So I do connect the N with the A sound. Un avion, airport, un aéroport. And we saw this one in the other lesson. Boat, un bateau, un bateau. Train station, une gare, une gare. Train, un train, un train. So we spell it the same way, but we pronounce it differently. Last one, taxi, un taxi, un taxi. One more time. Un avion, un aéroport, un bateau, une gare, un train, un taxi. Next one, we're going to see bus is autobus, or we say le bus, or le car. So car here is not a car. It's the bus, the big bus. So we say, most of this time we say le bus and we say le car. And yeah, we say autobus, but autobus is just too long. So most of the people, they will say just le bus. And bus station, une gare routière. Une gare routière. It comes from route, which is route. So that's why we say une gare routière. Bus stop, un arrêt de bus. Un arrêt de bus. So for bus, we do pronounce the S at the end. A car, which is the car that we drive. Une voiture. Une voiture. And there are some people that you will hear them saying une automobile, but most common one is voiture. Subway station, une gare de métro, and we can also say station de métro. Station de métro. Subway, un métro. Shuttle, une navette. Une navette. And port, un port. T is silent in French. One more time. Un autobus, bus, car. Une gare routière, pardon. Une gare routière. Un arrêt de bus. Une voiture. The OI is the wa. So, une voiture. Une gare de métro or station de métro. Un métro. Une navette. Un port. So for carpooling or ride sharing is le covoiturage. Le covoiturage. Ferry, un ferry. Platform, un quai. And four-wheel drive, un 4x4. Or we say it's 4x4, but the pronunciation, we say 4x4. It's like you're saying to cut. We say 4x4. Okay? So, again, I'm going to repeat it. Carpooling is going to be le covoiturage, un ferry, un quai, and then un 4x4. And remember that car, as I said before, it means a bus. It's not. And the car, the small car that we drive is une voiture. When it comes to the tickets, and so either bus or subway ticket is going to be un ticket, un ticket. So T silent and the ET at the end is an A sound, un ticket. And then plane or train ticket, un billet, un billet. And then one-way ticket, un billet simple. And a round trip ticket, un aller-retour. So we saw these before, I'm just reviewing them. Un ticket, un billet simple, un aller-retour. So more bus and car or more transportation is going to be bus station, une gare routière, bus stop, un arrêt. And then the intercity bus is going to be un car or un autocar. Local bus, un bus or un autobus. Waiting room is going to be une salle d'attente, une salle d'attente. Traffic, la circulation, la circulation. Un strike, une grève, une grève. un night bus, un octilien, again, une gare routière, un arrêt, un car ou un autocar. Then we have un bus ou un autobus. Next one, une salle d'attente, la circulation, une grève, un octilien. And when it comes to people or passengers, so this is how we call them. A driver, un conducteur, passenger, un passager for male, une passagère for female. And the ticket inspector, le contrôleur. And we saw, how do we say pilot, which is le pilote. And then, we saw that. So again, I'm going to say them one more time. Un conducteur, un passager, une passagère, and then le contrôleur. So in this part, we are going to see the verbs that we use when it comes to traveling and transportation. So the verb to arrive is arriver. The verb to be, of course, is être. And remember that we saw early is en avance, on time is à l'heure, late, en retard. And to come is venir. To go is aller. And you saw most of these verbs in level 1 and 2. So next one, to take is prendre. To go out either on foot or by car, it's going to be sortir. À pied is going to be on foot. En voiture means by car. To leave, partir. To service, desservir. And to run or be in service, assurer le service. Again, one more time. Arriver, être. So, être en avance or être à l'heure or être en retard, which is to be early, to be on time, or to be late. To come is venir. To go is aller. To take, prendre. To go out, sortir. And then we have on foot, à pied. So pronunciation of foot is pied, à pied. And then by car, en voiture. To leave is partir. To service is desservir. And last one, to run or be in service is assurer le service. Assurer le service. Next one is going to be again to arrive is arriver. Arriver, to board, monter dans. So, monter dans le bus, monter dans l'avion, so to board. And to buy a ticket, acheter un ticket. Acheter un ticket. To validate one's ticket, composter son ticket. Composter son ticket. To press a button is appuyer sur un bouton. Appuyer, appuyer. Appuyer sur un bouton. To depart, or to depart is partir. I was reading it in French. To depart is partir. Partir. Again, arriver, monter dans, acheter un ticket, composter son ticket, appuyer sur un bouton, partir.